This 2008 Cadillac DTS is brought to you by Auto Gallery, Chicago. 2008 Cadillac DTS Convertible by Coach Builders Limited. Very rare DTS convertible conversion with power convertible top factory optional equipment audio system with navigation. Originally $2,145. White diamond tri-coat. Originally $995. 17-inch QUOT. Chrome aluminum wheels. Originally $825. Factory standard DTS equipment. 4.6L North Star V8 engine. 275 horsepower. 295 lb-ft of torque. 4-speed automatic transmission. Heated front seats. Ventilated front seats. Massage front seat. Heated rear seat. Heated steering wheel. Power rear seat. Factory remote start. Dual zone front climate control. Rear climate control. Power folding mirrors. Front parking sensors. Rear parking sensors. Xenon headlights. Memory driver seat. Cruise control. Power adjustable steering wheel. Keyless entry. Power windows. Power door locks. Wood trim interior. White diamond tri-coat exterior. Tan leather interior. Wheel tray includes 2 master remotes. 2 keys. Original owners. Manual Cadillac floor mats. Vehicle history. Only 1 previous owner. Loaded with factory options. Please feel free to call you. Visit us at AutoGalleryChicago.com.